divers behind the line. We're starting this up in 3, 2, 1. Let's dive.
Elevators up as the match begins. First attempt comes from Overture. They drop their first coral, go back to a second attempt now, receive that coral from their human player. Overture arm up. They're looking for that RP for the Red Alliance, but it looks like Exploding Bacon from Orlando. They're going to make sure the Red Alliance does walk away with that RP. Coral scored on levels 2 and 3, and all 3 of those robots exiting that robot starting zone. Checking out the action so far on blue, 36-56. Dexter Dreadbots up to the Blue Alliance barge, dropping off their first algae in that barge. Dexter shifts to grab some coral now, placing it on level 4 of the Reef. Alliance partner in blue, Vector, works from their coral station. Now all 3 blue robots do approach with coral of their own. The coral from Binary drops off into the center of that reef. Checking out our score with 1.5 minutes remaining in match 18. Blue Alliance in the lead, 81-56. Exploding Bacon, 1902. They've got algae removed from the reef, but it looks like they might be trying to get that out of their robot's intake. They see that algae really squished up. They are still pushing some coral onto the Red Alliance reef while their partners Overture intake up off the floor, and Robotics works from a coral station. 1 minute of match play remaining. Blue Alliance still in the lead. Binary Bolts representing Mumbai, India work from the coral station. A few coral fall just shy of their grasp, but they've got their next attempt. They drop it right onto the reef, hoping for it to land on level 1. Checking in on the reef status, both alliances need 4 levels completed for the ranking point. The Blue Alliance is good on levels 4 and 3. Looking for a few more though on 1 and 2. A little bit more of a spread for the Red Alliance as we enter the final 30 seconds of the match. We are 3v3 on offense for both sides of the field. Overture drops off on level 3. Robotics, they're going to be the first approaching the barge zone for Red. We see their deep cage manipulator helping guide into the correct position. All 6 robots now in their barge zone. Vector, they are clearly up off the ground on deep cage. Their partners looking to join them. And we are awfully close to a lot of robots scoring 12 points on deep cages. The winner is the Blue Alliance. Final score 174-150. That victory in large part to 3 robots on a deep cage for the Blue Alliance at the conclusion of the match.